Hello everyone, Virginia here to present you yet another vlog. This time you will see us traveling at the coast to meet with the other volunteers who work in Koper, spend time with them and give them workshops in photography and video. Enjoy!
Haydi 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 haydi.
Yes, yeah. How was the trip, Elmar?
Awesome, awesome nature, awesome life, awesome ride.
How was it driving here?
Pretty chill, a lot of hills and serpentines.
Oh my god!
That's move because you always have to pull up the hand.
Hello guys, once again. Now we moved from Koper to Piran and we're going to just take a walk around and take pictures. I have my film camera here and we're also vlogging and shooting for our workshop, so let's go! It almost looks like a shark. Yes, it was a good fish.